Oh, it's a postcard. That's nice. Oh, look at this. They have beer. Oh. Yes, I did. It's almost sold out. Oh, that's cute though.
This is almost
Just one side. And no pocket.
no super pocket.
No super pocket. Only here. $49. For $100. This is 2025?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. But still, it's a little early.
This is
isn't it?
Joe.
So next thing you know, he finally gets taken down.
Rapunzel, I think. And then Ariel. It's cute, actually. Oh, it's Tiana. And then Cinderella. And Snow White. And Moana. Cinderella again. And Jasmine. Yeah. I think I haven't seen though. Is that Belle? What's it called? Is it timer? Yes. It's a classic hat.
Mickey Mouse hat. Oh, it has a zipper. It does have a zipper.
Good. It's like a baseball. But I don't know why 89.
Oh,
This is 59.
1959 when it came out?
Oh, the year?
I'm wondering.
Oh, God.
Yeah, 1950. So it's the year it was made. So
Oh,
that's
okay.
4,000. Oh, it's peanut butter, chocolate.
Is that chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, my. Oh, mangoes?
Yeah, it looks like it.
After the park.
That's mine.
They want to go on.
There's a strawberry pie.
Awesome, thank you.
There's cake pop and 2 imagination cones all day. Sit on that.
の
a mess.
Not really. Is it purple? What kind of purple? It's thick.
It's a little blob.
They change the design or yeah, or maybe making brown wine. There's a flop. It's understandable, but this one,
Wearing somebody else's skin.
Oh. They didn't have curves. Yeah. Oh, high school kitty chan.
It's kind of hard to get to.
It's a Meguro, isn't it?
Nakameguro? No.
But Nakameguro is really
Yeah,
famous.
Nakameguro is nice, but it's not that one. It was.
I didn't know that they have a house. he has on his head? Oh, it's a buggy.
Oh,
Yeah, it's good. Greenhouse Mix Volume 1.